Okay, something else to show you, something pretty spectacular from a company that usually makes wooden kits. They're going into a metal kit, so this is pretty cool. This is from Artesania Latina, who normally, as I said, make wooden boats. This is an all-metal 109G. It's 16th scale, highly detailed. It's got all this is all metal and all the frame and everything else. So you build all the cockpit, build all the thing, but you build the engine as well, and the cowlings actually come off, and there's little magnets that you can have, put them on and off. This is really, really something. It's quite detailed. You also have LEDs for it. You also have a micro engine for it, so that can actually spin the prop around. It has a stand as well, acrylic stand, so you can stand it on as well if you don't want to put it on its undercarriage. I believe quite a few bits and pieces move on it. There's some more detail for you. This is all, as I said, this is just unbelievably detailed. It's just so much in there. It's not cheap. It's about $750, but man, is it, if you're looking for that sort of showpiece, or if you've built some of the older Hasegawa frame kits and things like that, and you're looking for that next sort of spectacular thing, this is just so surprising. And it's all metal, so you've got to have some skills in working with metal, but I believe it's all fairly straightforward. I don't believe there's any soldering or anything like that. It's just as a matter of locking everything together and putting it all together. But this is really, really something. And as I said, it's got metal photo etch, moving parts, micro molded and LED. Oh, and the instructions are on a DVD. So you can just, and there's like hundreds of photos of each step and different bits and pieces about the aeroplane and things like that. So as I said, if you're looking for that thing that's going to be just spectacular on the shelf, this is quite good. It's quite heavy too, so you can imagine that it's got quite a bit to it. I can't open it up because it needs to be kept sealed, but I'm sure that there'll be reviews and everything else will come up on the web and everything else in the near future. As I said, $750, well worth it, I believe. So if you're looking for something different, come and see us. Talk to you then.